Crude oil today bounced back sharp from the support levels at 68.4, and as I've mentioned that 69, 69.3, 69.6 are the three levels it need to break in order to rise further. Right now I can see it hesitating to break beyond the second target at 69.3 itself. While natural gas is the one which is corrected sharp, it is, see, I have discussed one thing that below 3.38, 3.4, we are looking forward to a down move. 3.34, 3.3 levels should appear. It is in fact moved now towards 3.27. So what to expect now from oil and gas with the US session? We have the inventory data today for crude oil that might aid little to the volatility, and which direction it should take. Everything we're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. We'll try to find out how to profit trading crude oil and natural gas today. This is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels with precision, such that you can trade with profits throughout the day across sessions, be it the Asia, be it the Europe or the US. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into oil, followed with gas. Look at the move in oil, drop, retracement, drop, retracement. One observation here is the diminishing bearishness. Look at this move, look at this move. Bearishness has got diminished. Second thing is the retracement. Yes, it is under retracement. I will not treat this as reversal. And yes, a selling entry today is only below 68.4. That is very, very clear. And only if you see oil trading below 68.4, you should take a sell. And then also we have to wait for it to trade below 67.8. Now see, it is trading in this bearish channel here, hitting the highs. It can drop again. Yes, the data today can bring more bears out here. Moving averages are trading bearish, very clear. Stochastic has dropped here, while the MACD is under retracement. It is looking upwards, and the RSI is running flat. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, what has happened? Drop, retracement towards 20 period, drop, retracement towards 20 period. Now see, here you have to be careful, because see, if it breaks beyond 69.6 and then 70 levels, if it breaks this zone here, it is going to turn bullish, and then you can look forward to further highs where 70.6 and 71 levels will come into picture, and any move beyond 71 is a sign of reversal. Now notice that it is doing or trading in this channel here. See, this is the median, and this is the one bullish channel. This is the second one hitting the lows. It is trying to bounce back. Any move beyond 69.3, 69.6 and then 70 should be a good indication for further bullishness. Though if you look at the moving averages, they've crossed over here, and these are trading with divergence, staying bearish. The stochastic looking downwards. The MACD, interestingly, after retracement has crossed over, it is looking upwards, trading bullish. RSI running flat here. Coming to 3 on the 3 hour chart, see, this crossover is significant. What has happened after the crossover? These are trading with divergence, staying bearish. The prices were trading with little divergence from the 20-50 period moving average. We have seen it converging, now hitting the resistance. It is trying to reverse, but I will still not treat this as bearish, because see, higher highs and lower lows here. Now unless and until you see oil trading below 68.4, I will not recommend you to sell. While on the upside, very, very important for it to trade beyond 69.3, 69.6, then only you should treat this as bullish. Else what is happening? It is trading in this bearish channel. It can hit the lows. The lows here are towards 67. Be mindful of this. Stochastic rising. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover. It is not yet crossed over. Wait for it to cross over, and then it can try to reverse. RSI running flat with moderate bearishness. Coming to 4. Now on the 4 hour chart, see, retracement candles, a reversal sign, flat top, and the current one is trying to show a reversal. But I will say higher lows here, higher highs here. Be careful, do not sell till 68.4, very, very clear. And on the upside, be careful for 69.3, 69. Yes, it can try to hit the lows here. It can try to form a double bottom or higher lows, and then it can show you a stronger recovery towards 69.6 and higher levels. Now why this could do so? See, on the one hand, it is trading in this bearish channel. On the other hand, if you look at, it is trading in this retracement, which is a good bullish channel here. So this is something you should watch out. Stochastic rising here. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. See these waves here. It has formed another red wave. It can try to converge, crossover. Wait for it to cross over, and that will be your signal for a good buying entry. RSI flat. Coming to the on the daily chart, see, ideally if you look at today, it has started on a flat. Nope, it has formed wick here. Now I will not treat this for a reversal. As long as now 70 levels are not taken, you should not treat this as reversal, though it is possible because it diminishing bearishness candle pattern is done, and almost the rise is coming from the same zone. So from here it can again deliver higher highs. But right now what is happening, lower highs are seen consistently, and that is where $70 levels today are going to play a major role, and in fact hitting the zone it can reverse. Now notice that it is trading in this bearish zone, and thus once it trades below 67.8, we can look forward to a greater correction. How low? Yes, you can expect it to move towards 67.367 as the first target, and then a major down move can be seen. But if you notice the movement here, you will find, see, first thing is the support it has created here. Look at this 66, 67 zone, very, very critical support. Then also it is trading in this sideways box where you can see highs and lows are getting created, but this time it is reversing from the lower level. So this is what is a bit of caution point for me, as it is not moved towards the highs. Now today is the day when it is going to decide the direction it wants to take. So a possible drop below 68.4 and 67.8 is going to be a clear indication that oil is going to crash further. If today's candle it hits the lows, possibly tomorrow it can give you a breakout here. So this point you should watch out. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD interestingly forming the double bottom, it has lot much of room on the upside. Now notice this, what's happening, rise, retracement, consolidation, it can break out, but it is not showing any strength. RSI comfortable. So before I give you the levels, yes, do like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Do not miss to join the recommended broker, which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, with easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. All the links are there in the channel and video description. So now looking at this, very, very simple. You can buy at 69.3, expect it to move towards 69.6 first, $70 level, 70.1 levels as the next target, and then 70.5, 70.6. If you see it is staying above 70.5, 70.6, stay bullish for the day, for the week. You can look forward to 71.4, 71.5, 72.4, 72.5, and then sky means $75 level should be there very, very soon. Right now the momentum is not very much supportive of such a rise here. You can sell at 68.4 today, where you can expect 68, 67.8 as the first target zone. Once it trades below 67.8, stay short for 67.3 and 67. Trading below 67, 66.5 will appear, and then the stronger support is seen at 66 and 65 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's move to natural. Now see, natural gas today, first of all, it has given a gap up this week, and now it has filled the gap here. Now this is the first gap which it has filled. There is another gap which is pending a bit lower towards 3.04 levels here. But it is natural gas. It is not that all the gaps it is going to fill, because see, there are further gaps pending on the upside as well, and that is pending since long. Now what is happening on the hourly chart? See, the moving averages have crossed over. These are trading with tremendous divergence and bearishness here. If you also notice, after the drop it has retraced, again drop, and now it has breached the support. And that is where I have mentioned, once it trades below 3.4, 3.38, stay short. What it has done, it has come towards the next support zone at 3.3, 3.28. Stochastic is at bottom trying to recover. The MACD is trading bearish. The RSI has come towards an oversold zone. When you look at the two R charts, similar observation. See, it has filled the gap. It may try to stay in this box, but remember, it is delivering lower highs and now it is falling. So this time if it breaks now below 3.24, we can look forward to a greater down move here. Be mindful of this here. Yes, the stochastic has come to an oversold zone while the MACD is still trading bearish and the RSI is almost at bottom. On the 3 hour, the observation is more or less same here. The lower highs is very, very important, and it is forming a fall here, and right now the downside appears to be wide open. So now if you see it is staying below 3.27, you can take a sell for 3.24, 3.2, and then 3.16. Below 3.16 is where you can expect more bearishness, and then 3.1 is going to be the target here, if not today, some point of time in near future. See, it has seen stronger bullishness so far for the day, for the week, and now the moving averages are trying to converge. If at any point of time these crosses over, that will be a good bearish sign. Stochastic has come to an oversold zone, and if you notice this, it delivers some waves here, and thus hitting the oversold zone, we can expect a recovery. I hope it delivers a recovery here. The MACD trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI at bottom as well. Coming to 4. Now notice on the 4-hour chart, similar observation. Remember now 3.38, 3.4, which was the resistance is, which was the support earlier, is now going to be the resistance for the day. Also notice diminishing bearishness. This is very, very important. And this suggests that from here it can try to stay in a zone, and breaking beyond 3.4, we can again expect that the bulls taking over here. Yes, it can try to limit itself. My only concern point is this, which it is showing the curvature here, because this is a definitely bearish sign here. So this curvature here can take the prices further low. The space here is wide open, but I will only recommend you to sell at 3.27, and that to wait for 3.24, 3.2 zone to be taken. Stochastic at bottom and oversold. MACD trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI has dropped here. Coming to the now, see on the daily charts, what we did discuss earlier today, that it is closing almost at the red, and the next candle, once it trades below 3.4, 3.38, we can look forward for it to fill the gap. What has happened? It has almost filled the gap here, and it is forming a double bottom. And thus, till 3.27 levels, you have to be cautious, careful, and remember now the prices are trading with divergence from the 20 period. It can move towards this, and this is the zone where it is going to find maximum support in between 3.1, 3.2. Can it move towards this level? Yes, if it is possible. If not today, then tomorrow, and some point of time this week. It's staying below 3.2 levels, certainly more bearishness, and specifically below 3.1 is where you can say now the near term bearishness is there, and you can look forward to a greater correction. Stochastic has dropped here. Look at MACD. It was trading with divergence. It is converged. It is starting to converge. A crossover here can confirm the reversal. RSI has dropped. So looking at this, very simple. Buy at 3.3. Expect 3.38, 3.4 as the first target zone. If it stays above 3.38, 3.4, just stay bullish here. We can expect 3.44 and then 3.5 levels. Any move beyond 3.5 is a sign of reversal, and it is not showing any such sign as of now. Mostly the indicators are bearish here for the day. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 3.27. Expect it to move towards 3.24, 3.2, and once it trades below 3.2, 3.175, then ideally I'll be looking forward to 3.1 as the next target, and this is going to achieve in a hurry. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Do not miss to watch the first update every day with the Asia and Europe session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.